How to add apps to your desktop on your laptop or computer. First, you want to right click on the start button and then go to settings. And then you want to click on personalization and then click on themes. And now on the right side under related settings, you want to click on desktop icon settings. Now you can close this. And from here, you can choose which icons should be displayed in your desktop by simply checking the box for the relative icon you want. And you want to leave potentially recycle bin and computer in your desktop. You can also change the icons if you want to by clicking change icon and pick whichever icon you want. And then you can click on apply and OK. Now to add icons of apps and games to your desktop, you will simply open the start menu and then search for the app by name. So for example, Roblox or Overwolf, you want to right click on it and then click on more. And then you want to open the file location. Now you want to right click on the icon again and then click on send to and select desktop, and it will be sent to your desktop. Relatively, you can, or alternatively, you can click on the icon and then drag it to your desktop directly, and that should create another shortcut for it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.